Hello, I'm Dario, and today I will be showing you the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise Panel van and all its features and benefits. This van, like all our vehicles, has undergone 128 points inspection by AA, and it's covered by their warranty for the first 3 months, plus roadside assistance for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also protected the paint of the vehicle with a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat, which will make sure tree sap, acidity, rain and anything else won't affect the paint of the vehicle. This one comes in the Enterprise trim level and it's fitted with fog lights, electrically adjustable mirrors. Going to the rear, on the rear bumper you have parking sensors spanning the whole width of the rear bumper, and then on the left side you have the sliding door and the fuel flap for diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the cargo size now. The rear cargo hold is fully ply lined with wood and rubberized plastics on the side. You have a full metal bulkhead with a hatch on the left side that goes into the cabin and extends the cargo hold by 48 centimeters. We have 118 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches and 121 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib. You have 6 attachment points on the floor, and the depth of the floor is 171 centimeters fully usable. Let's take a look at the cabin now. Once you get into the cabin, you have a 3-seat on a 2-seat bench configuration and fully adjustable independent driver's seat. Once you get into the vehicle, you have storage solutions on the passenger side and one right in front of the driver. The dashboard is fitted with analog clocks and a digital screen for the trip computer. You have the cruise control settings and the auto headlights controls on the left, infotainment controls and wipers control on the right, and then the controls for the power fold mirrors, height of the beam, central locking unit and power windows. The infotainment unit is an NAC unit by Citroen. This one is also fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay through USB cable. Then you have an AC unit underneath with the control for the heated mirrors, electric brake, and this one is a 5-gear transmission model. The middle seat turns into a picnic table, which also extends and pivots to the side. Really useful, especially if you have a tablet or a laptop for your working use. And these are all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise Panel Van. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.